Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily jailbreak iOS 15.8.6 on all of your devices using the Dopamine Jailbreak without a computer. Yes, TrollStore has to be installed for this process. To install TrollStore, please refer to the description. There is a complete guide on how you can install TrollStore on iOS 15.8.6 and it works on all of your devices. Once TrollStore is installed, simply open it, then go to settings, scroll down a bit and then enable URL scheme and then hit rebuild now. Alright, your device will respring. Now after your device gets back on, open Safari and head to the official website for the Dopamine Jailbreak as you can see on your screen, and then from there simply hit open in TrollStore. You will see this dialog, hit on open and it will start to get the Dopamine Jailbreak app. Before you do so, make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Alright, as you can see, Dopamine is now downloaded. Now simply hit install. This will install the Dopamine app. Now you can go back. You will see it right on your home screen. Now you can open it. Now simply hit the jailbreak button. Now select a package manager. I will go with Celio. Hit on continue and wait for the jailbreak process to finish. Alright, now simply enter a password for sudo. I will prefer to use alphabets rather than numbers. Then hit set. Your device will do a user space reboot. And then finally, you will simply get in. And in a few seconds, you will see Celio package manager on your home screen. And simply now open it, allow, accept. First of all, let's check out the version. So it is indeed iOS 15.8.6 jailbroken. Now head to packages first and make sure you upgrade all the packages. This is very important. Alright, now you can again open Celio. All the packages are now updated. Now to run your tweaks, you will simply hit search and then search for Alikit. Alright, simply select the package, hit on get, leave this package in queue. Also, to display your tweaks in settings which require it, you will also need to install the preference loader. While it is in queue, go to search again and then search for preference loader. Alright, and then simply install this package. You don't get queue. You'll see the queue here and then confirm to install both of these packages. Don't worry, it will now do a user space reboot. Alright, once you get in, now your device is ready to run your tweaks. Now you can open Celio. Now just to make sure that tweaks work, I will go to search and search for a completely free tweak called Cylinder Reborn. Get queue and confirm to install this tweak. Then simply restart Springboard. Now when I get in, you can see the tweak is now working without issues. If I head to settings and scroll down, you can see the preference loader is also working. As you can see, I can see the tweaks settings right here under settings. You can also safely remove the jailbreak. Simply open the Dopamine app again, then go to settings, scroll, and you will see the remove jailbreak option here. Simply hit remove jailbreak and then hit continue. Your device will now restart. Once you get back in, you can see the jailbreak is now completely removed. Now to remove the Dopamine Jailbreak app, go to TrollStore. You can either delete it from here or you can simply press and hold, hit on remove app, delete app, and it is gone. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.